Folks, we're going down south again, down to the Big Easy. We're gonna make us up some great Cajun food today. We're gonna do some crawfish etouffee. And I guarantee you, it is gonna rock your world. So let's make this thing happen in a big way. Okay, now what we're gonna do here is we've got 4 pounds of mud bugs, crawdads. We're gonna pour them right in the water and cook them up for 10 minutes. Don't buy any of that imported garbage, frozen, terrible, horrible. Gotta be fresh. We got some green peppers, red peppers, got some celery, got an onion, and of course, some green onion. So we're gonna take this over here to our Cajun water machine, wash all these veggies down real nice and good, get all the pesticides off of them, all of the nastiness. This machine is fabulous. Let's do a video of it sometime. Cleaning up vegetables and getting everything prepped up. So as you can see, I've now thoroughly cleaned all my vegetables that I'll be prepping up for this etouffee. Got my crawfish cooked up, 10 minutes on the boil. Put them in a strainer, set them aside, let them cool down. Now here we go. We're going to start making this up. I got the Cajun Trinity, onion, red pepper, green pepper, celery. Got this in some butter, one stick. We're just going to cook this down until the vegetables are translucent. Oh my God, this stuff is beautiful. Coming along just fine. And now we got to get the spices in here. This is really where you're going to kick this thing up. Got to put a bay leaf in. Don't put that in there, it won't work. Of course, some salt. Go with about a tablespoon. Funny looking salt there. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's poison. There's Slap Your Mama. That's my favorite go-to Cajun seasoning. Put about a tablespoon and a half of that in there. And then we're going to go down with the cayenne. Go with a full tablespoon. I like mine etouffee spicy. So we're going to shake down about a tablespoon of that right into this vegetable mixture. And then, of course, wouldn't be right. We didn't put a little bit of black pepper in there, of course, so we'll doll it up with about a tablespoon of black pepper. And now we're going to put the other ingredients, which includes 4 cloves of garlic and the green onions. Now we're going to sweat these out for a little bit more. And at that point, we're going to get all excited because this is going to be done. It took me about 30 minutes to sweat these down properly. So what I'm going to do next is I'm simply going to take all of these sweated down vegetables, set them in a bowl side, and we're going to make up a little bit of stock. And we're going to need this stock later in the recipe. There's the sauteed veggie mix. Take that pan with a little bit of the stuff in there. I'm going to put 2 cups of water in and take a couple of these crawdads that I've taken the heads off and peeled them off, and I'm just going to take some of the carcasses and boil that in this stock pot. Make sure you pick any shells out of this, but there it is. We got that. Pour that right into the 2-cup container here. We'll be using this later. Now, next step is we're going to make the roux. Just got some regular vegetable oil. Put in about 4 tablespoons of just regular all-purpose flour. We're going to cook this roux down. And when I say cook it down, I slow cook this roux. Don't want to burn it, but you don't want it to have any floury taste. I like to get mine down to about a milk chocolate in color. It's going to take a minute to do. Be very careful working with this stuff. I mean, if it gets on your hands, it's like napalm, man. It sticks and it burns. So be quite careful. Now, as you can see, got this stuff down to almost a milk chocolate color. That's about the color I'm looking for. And once we've got it to that point, you can take it further, but you've got a chance of burning it and then ruin your whole dish. So just stick right there. Now what I'm going to do, put my stock into the roux. I got me a nice little gravy going here. Nice little Cajun gravy. Cook that off a little bit there. Stirring it around with my wooden spoon. And that's the sauce. That is your sauce for your etouffee. And now, what we want to do is we're going to take all those beautiful vegetables that we sweated off, throw that into our mixture, give that a stir around the block. Oh my gosh, now we're going to get some aroma off of this that is just incredible. So here we go. got that. We're just waiting for the star of the show. Peeled off all those 4 pounds of mud bugs. Throw those right into the pot there. We'll cook these for about just 5 minutes. I don't want to cook these things for a while. So after you get that, get you some rice. You can get some Uncle Ben's rice or whatever you want to use. And then you just ladle over that gravy. And man, you just made up a plate of magic. It really, really is. I've made it so many times. But we're going to take it over the taste table and give it a try. Right here, magic. The incredibly delicious Cajun Crawfish Etouffee. And then I just have a good feeling about this. It's going to be some good eating. Man, folks, you gotta give this a chance. It's a great recipe. Boy, actually bordering on spectacular. At any rate, folks, thanks for watching. And as always, bon appetit.